Quantstamp Coin is one of the most popular altcoins among crypto traders.
If you're looking for the Quantstamp Coin price prediction or finding the potential of the QSP coin, this Quantstamp price forecast video can be helpful for you. Here we will try to analyze the prices of QSP coin for the next 10 years. Quantstamp is the leader in blockchain security. Quantstamp's vision is to secure the decentralized internet, protect over $200 billion digital assets from hackers. As per Quantstamp, over 200 startups, foundations, and enterprises work with Quantstamp to keep their innovative products safe. Quantstamp has added various new tools in its ecosystem like QSP coin. Blockchain security is the future of the digital assets network. The Quantstamp coin is trending on social media due to its strong backing. Apart from the popularity among the crypto community, Quantstamp has launched many initiatives to attract the crypto community to its platform. Quantstamp coin looks promising in the long term. However, all cryptos are down in 2022. Quantstamp coin performance is also showing slow growth. As per this Quantstamp price prediction, the QSP coin might be able to create a new all-this high level in 2022. Many platforms and analysts think that the price of Quantstamp coin will continue to grow in the next 5 years, surpassing the 50 cents mark by the end of 2025. As we find there is no technical way to predict the price of any crypto with 100% accuracy, so actual prices can vary from this Quantstamp coin price forecast. There are strong possibilities that the Quantstamp bull rally can again start in the mid of 2022 that may surge more than this QSP coin price prediction. Since its launching date, Quantstamp has shown extensive growth in the crypto market. Quantstamp coin has given a great return to its initial investors in 2021 but lost its value in January 2022. Due to extreme volatile behavior, many traders used to ask whether QSP coin is for the long term or just a pump and dump. The market growth is bearish, so it's normal to behave like pump and dump. As we have seen on the crypto forums and Twitter, Quantstamp is in the market for the long term. Due to the effort of the community investors, Quantstamp coin prices can skyrocket in upcoming years. However, we need to wait some more months to predict the future of the Quantstamp coin. As the Quantstamp coin pumped massively in 2021, many crypto traders are curious to know whether the Quantstamp coin can touch $1 or not. As per this QSP coin price analysis, there is no signal that the Quantstamp coin can reach $1 in 2022. However, in the upcoming, the QSP coin can surely hit the $1 cap easily. As we have seen in the past, a great bull rally or bear rally can thrash all the price predictions in seconds. By partnership with other blockchain networks and community support, the Quantstamp coin may hit its $1 target before our Quantstamp price prediction. Some new listings on premium exchanges may also increase the value of the Quantstamp coin. As per the recent spike in Quantstamp prices, this coin has proved that it can surprise investors with massive returns. Quantstamp is one of the most popular blockchain security platforms that are popular among blockchain developers. Due to the blockchain security tag, the crypto community has huge expectations with Quantstamp token. As per this price analysis, the long-term investment in Quantstamp coin appears to be a good option to consider. Even though the price seems bullish, Quantstamp coin and other cryptos are volatile and can change their price direction at any time. Cryptos are today not just the most beneficial assets but also riskiest as well. So, before making any investment decision, do your proper risk management properly. As a popular altcoin, you will not face any difficulty to find the Quantstamp coin. There are many crypto trading platforms that have been recently listed Quantstamp coin for public trading. Some big names include Binance and Coinbase. If you wish to buy Quantstamp, the top crypto exchanges are currently Coinbase, Binance, Huobi, Uniswap, CoinDCX, and Gate.io. By signing up on such platforms, you can easily add Quantstamp coin to your crypto portfolio. If you're using MetaMask wallet, you can also swap QSP from ETH or BNB. As we can see, the Quantstamp coin can reach a maximum price level of 17 cents by 2022 if everything goes smooth. The average price of Quantstamp coin can be around 15 cents for 2022, and the minimum price of a Quantstamp token can go up to 9 cents. The Quantstamp Coin performance can beat the latest price trend to reach new highs if the market changes its direction, as another bull rally is expected in 2022. As per some crypto experts, Quantstamp Coin prices can hit a new all-time high level this year. By 2025, we may expect an average price of 53 cents depending upon the market trend.
A maximum price prediction for the Quantstamp coin is 59 cents in 2025,
while the minimum price level can be around 49 cents.
If the market gets bullish, might the Quantstamp coin surge more than this QSP coin price prediction in 2025? There are possibilities that the crypto market is about to enter a new age in 2030. Many cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year, and so Quantstamp Coin. The year 2030 can end with an average price of $1.93 and a minimum price value of $2.11. The maximum price is expected to be trading around $2.29. If there is any bull rally in 2030, the prices of Quantstamp may skyrocket.